Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that during the blessed lifetime of the Prophet ﷺ, when an eclipse of the sun occurred, the Prophet ﷺ performed ablution. Then he gave the command for the call to prayer to be made, announcing that the prayer was ready. Then he stood and led the prayer with prolonged standing in each rak'ah, likely reciting Surah Al-Baqarah. After this he performed a prolonged bowing and said, Sami-Allahu liman hamida, Allah hears whoever praises him, as he did in the first rak'ah, remaining standing for a considerable time and not going into prostration immediately. Instead he performed another prolonged bowing followed by prostration. In the second rak'ah he similarly stood for a prolonged period after bowing, performing 2 bowings in each rak'ah. Then he completed the prayer and sat for the tashahhud, testimony of faith, and during this time the eclipse of the sun ended. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 24132.